Another young reggae boy, another talented reggae boy, Karoy. First of all, how are you feeling after today's game?
After today's game, I think it was tough, but we did what we needed, kept a clean sheet, which is always a positive. So it's good momentum. Obviously, we haven't lost in this camp, which is really good, and we finished top. So it's good. It's positive.
You played a lot of minutes in the previous game and you had a good performance. Were you disappointed not to get the start today?
No, I understand, like fresh legs, and it's a team game. It's not just 11 players. It's a whole team that does good things. So I wasn't too fussed.
All right. So when you came on, what was going through your mind? You know, when coach would have said you're up.
Just thinking about how I could impact the game positively and just give my best for the badge.
Were there any special instructions that you would have gotten before?
Just protect the middle of the pitch really, and that's it.
And evaluate your performance today.
Yeah, it was good. Could have been a bit better. Could have give Papi a better ball, but it's all right. It was good.
We've topped the zone. We've qualified. You know, going through into the Nations League knockout stages. How do you feel about your game and the team's game going into the next stage of this competition?
I think we're gonna go into a mindset to win, and I think everyone's pushing each other to be better every camp. So I'm only gonna work hard away from here and hopefully do better.
And lastly, just speak to us about the evolution of your game since debuting for Jamaica to now. Like, how do you think your game has improved, your international game? And do you feel comfortable as a full international player right now?
I feel comfortable just playing football in general. I think it's a game of just players. Everyone's different, but everyone has something different to bring to the game. And I think, I've become more comfortable. Obviously, the more games you play, the more confident you get. So, yeah, I just got more confident in trying to be better.
All right, thanks for talking to us. Good game. Oh yeah, sorry, last question. We just spoke to Dixon. You know, he's a teammate of yours. He's in the same area, same team. How has that been having him around?
It's been really good, man. It's been really good. We've been pushing each other in training, making sure that we both stay working hard, not slacking. It's really good to have him because it's someone connects me to back here as well as my family here, so it's really nice.
Yeah, two young players. Obviously Kaim from Jamaica, you from England. Have you been helping him to integrate into the culture there?
Yeah, I've been bringing him around places, bringing him around some of my people in England, and he's fitting in perfectly, so can't complain.
Do you think he'll continue to take things strides and to grow and to become a part of the first team in short order?
Yeah, for sure. He's getting used to it now, and he'll start flourishing because he's got great talent. So it'll be really exciting, man.
All right, thanks, Karoy.